Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new person, I warmly welcome you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and also share the video. Today we are making this delicious simple Ghana Mormone, very soft and easy to make, so stay tuned and enjoy. So with this recipe, I'm using some catfish here and adwene. And this is the fish I'm using. This is the normal fish, and this also the adwene or catfish that I'm using. I'm using quite big ones. I've already cleaned it. Yeah, so I'm just going to divide my fish here into two. You can decide to just use the whole one, and for this process that's okay, but I just wanted it to be easy for me after everything is done. So you can see this is quite a hard one, so I'm using some heavy knife here or butcher's knife here. So if you are using catfish, you know their bones are quite hard, so you need to take a big knife to just cut them into two, but you have to be very careful of your hand. I like having this mormone or making this mormone by myself in the house. I enjoy it, you know. I know you like it. And this one, I like this method. Watch the video to the end, because this method gives you that soft mormone that you normally see. Okay, so now I have finished dividing both my fish into two. You can see, if you are not dividing it, you can just go ahead and skip it. So with this one, I'm going to first wrap my fish without adding any salt to it. I'm going to just wrap it for now with my click wrap. If you have any rubber that you can keep it in, that's very fine. I wrap it with the click rubber because I found that this process allow the mormone to be fermented before you can go ahead with the next process of your fish or your salted fish. Okay, so this process gives you a very nice way of keeping your mormone warm, and also to just prevent it from smelling too much. You know, this the process of making mormone can be quite smelly, so if you wrap it well, you can have it you can trap the smell inside. It is quite nice. So you can see this is quite nice, so that wherever your apartment is or whatever house you are living in, you will not start driving people away before your mormone is done. So I'm also again wrapping it again in this foil wrapper or foil wrap here, just to help it in the process, just to help the process. Okay, so you just need to wrap it nicely like this in a foil wrapper here. So you make sure all angle or all parts of your fish is covered nicely like I'm doing right now. So I'm going to just wrap the other one also. I find this process of making my mormone very nice and very tasty. It gives you a very nice taste. Okay, so as you can see, I'm coming to just put everything inside this garbage bag that I have here. Unfortunately for me, I did not have any white garbage bag. I only had this dark one or black one in the house. So this is the one that I'm using. You can use the white one or any color that you have here, and I think this one helped me a lot. I love this one because it gives me the opportunity to wrap it nicely here, as you can see. So I'm just going to keep this in a very warm place for about 5 days. Okay, going to keep it 4 to 5 days. Okay, maximum 4 to, if you are living in the hot weather, 4 to 5 days, but if in the cold weather, about 7 days will do. So now this is the 5th day that I have kept this my fish. Okay, my fish in this wrap. So we're going to take it, and my God, the smell! I said that it's very good for you to wrap it like this, because if not, you cannot stand the smell. You can see that this smell, the Mormone smell, was coming in, and it was, I don't know how to describe it. It was something else. So you can see how it is. It has trapped all the juice from the Mormone. You know, you can see some blood in here, yeah, from the fish, but it just fermented the fish nicely. It helped the fish to be fermented nicely. So I'll be taking off all the rubber from it, and I'll be cleaning the fish with some paper towels, so that it will be clean here. So you can see the fish, it has been able to trap all the water in the fish. So making your Mormone, just take this process, you will love it. You will love your Mormone. Very soft, and not the cured one. It is not going to be like you are making the Kobe. It will just prevent your fish from becoming hard. Okay, so I'm just taking off the other one too. So I'll be just cleaning, and you will see the result of it. The fish was fermented nicely and beautifully. So it was because where I am, it's quite very hot here. When it is in the hot weather, it can be really hot here. So mine took just 4 days to 5 days. Okay, yeah. So you can see, look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So I've just finished cleaning the fish. You can see, look at it. You can see how soft it has now become. You can see the softness now. So with this, for you not to turn your Ghana Mormone into be Kobe, you know, Kobe is quite hard and firm than this. You need just about 3 tablespoons of your sea salt. Okay, your stone sea salt. You can decide to use the powdered one, but I found that this one, it will take quite a time to just melt in. The powdered one, it melts easily. So I would advise that you go in for the sea salt. Okay, so you just put about 3 tablespoons. If you use more salt with your Mormone, it will cure it. It will just turn Kobe. It will become hard like Kobe, and you don't want it that way. So just use about 3 tablespoons of salt, depending on the amount of fish that you are using, and you'll be good to go. You will have that soft, and you know, we're going to wrap it again. And I think the wrapping also helps the fish to have it, because when you wrap it, it's still warm inside. It helps keeps your fish very soft. You don't want your Mormone to be hard, like to be cured like you are making Kobe or beef or something like that. Yeah, so you need to make it, use this process, and you love your Mormone. Okay, you love your Mormone, especially like this one. You love it. Okay, so we're going to wrap it again. We are going to wrap it again nicely, and we are going to keep it somewhere. And after, one of the tips is that after you have make this one, after you have added the salt to it, the maximum that you have to keep should be 4 to 5 days again. It shouldn't be more than that. Okay, because the longer it will take with the salt inside still wrap, the harder it will be. So after you add the salt to it, after you have finished fermented it, and the second process, you are adding the salt to it again, try to just keep it for about 4 days or maximum of 5 days, and you still have that soft Mormone that I'm talking about. So now I'm wrapping it all nicely again in my wrap, my foil here. I've already had the clicked wrap with it. Yeah, I've seen that some people just cut their fish and they just add the salt to it in a container and just keep it. I've tried that method and it did not go well with me. My fish turned out to be cured very hard, and I didn't like the taste of it also. So using this method, I got my Ghana Mormone as I would like it. So I think try this method. So again, I'm wrapping it in another garbage bag. As I'm saying, if you have any other bag you can use. So I'm just going to keep this for 4 days. Okay, so now it has been 4 days now again, and this is the end result of my Mormone. this is the end result of how things are. So you still have some water dripping off from your bag or in your bag. I think having a big bag like that, it helped me because it prevented or it trapped in all the juice or all the liquid from the fishes. So, from the fish. So I think you should have a big bag that can easily trap in the heat and also the water from it, so that after you just take everything, you know, I just took everything outside and I have to dump it in the garbage bin. Okay, I did not keep it in my apartment because if not, so you can see, look at this, look at our Ghana, look at the inside. This is very nice and beautifully done. Okay, this is nice and beautifully done. So it has been 4 days now. So now my Mormone is done, and I'm coming to just cut it to the shape that I want or the shape that I desire. So as I said, that for this adwene, it was quite difficult. The head was quite difficult for you too. So if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and also share the video, and please don't leave without giving us a like. Please don't leave without giving us a like. Okay, so you cut it according to the size that you like. You cut it according to the size that is favorable to you. You like it, and I thank you all very much for all your support and your love and your kind words. Okay, so please leave a comment below. So as you can see, this is very nice and beautiful. We have our soft Ghana Mormone. With that, we turning it into Kobe, or we making it hard. This is very, very soft. It's just that for adwene, it was quite the bones are quite hard. But you know, adwene Mormone and your abenkwan soup, after you have made yours, please leave a comment below for me. You are adwene Mormone and you are abenkwan soup, dear. I would love to be around. Okay, so you can see this is very beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. If you have not been watching my videos, please after this video, the next video will come. Watch it, give it a like and also share. Okay, watch it, give it a like and also share. And I thank you all very much for all your love. So this is how my fish is, or how my Mormone is. Very, very soft and very, very delicious. And this one too, it prevents too much salt from getting into your Mormone, so you can easily use it without adding too much salt to your food. So at the end of everything, this is how my Mormone ended up, or how it is. So after everything, I just packed it into 2 sessions nicely. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this. Having this made by your own self. So I've just added some bay leaves to it just to give it some aroma. If you don't like it, you can skip it. Okay, you can leave it out. So when you are packing it, you can add just about half a teaspoon of salt to it. Yeah, just to keep it nice in your bags. So you keep this in your fridge and you are good to go for the rest of the month or the year, or whenever you want to add it to your food, you can use it easily. So thank you all very much. Thank you very much. I like you all and I love you all. Please don't go without watching the next video and give us a like, okay, and share the video. I like you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.